How to create a landing page on Getresponse. First, go to Getresponse if you have signed up already, but if it's your first time, click the link in the description or the first comment. It will take you straight to this dashboard and create your free account that doesn't require you any credit card. Once you sign up, check your email box and activate it. And now here you see this dashboard. Next, click on Create Landing Page under Quick Actions. Wait for the page to load. Once it's ready, you can either use a ready-made template or an AI-powered builder. In this case, let's use a template. Choose your preferred template, then click Use Template. Now, you can customize all the elements to fit your landing page. Once you're done customizing, click on Continue at the top right corner. Next, adjust the settings as needed. Once you've finalized everything, click Continue again. Finally, click Publish, and your landing page is live. And you can even make a beautiful one by following these simple and easy steps. Make sure to sign up. Getresponse link in the description or first comment and get 30 days free to test all the premium features and credit card required. That's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.